Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility so you can change voice control behavior. Once there, tap Voice Control to see current status and available languages. You need an internet connection only if a language pack must download, so enable Wi-Fi or cellular first. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID for language downloads and custom commands to sync. This avoids surprises later. Now toggle voice control on if it's off, and proceed to customize commands and language options. Once voice control is on, select languages to choose the voice recognition model that best matches your speech. This improves accuracy. Next, tap Customize commands to add, edit, or disable specific phrases. Do this for apps you use frequently so actions trigger reliably. You can also adjust vocabulary or pronunciation entries to teach the system names and phrases you use. Make incremental changes and test each new command immediately so you know why it did or didn't work. Finish by fine-tuning listening mode and microphone settings so voice control responds when you want it to and ignores background noise. Then test core commands across apps and the home screen. Try navigation, dictation, and custom phrases. If recognition fails, retrain or edit the specific command and check microphone permissions for apps. As a troubleshooting tip, if many commands behave oddly, turn voice control off and on or reset all custom commands to rebuild accuracy quickly and predictably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.